Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating this Brinks keypad right here. This is a Brinks keypad. This is one of the oldest versions out there, and I've decided I'd go ahead and demonstrate it for you. First off, I forgot the model number already, but right now it can be 1, 2, and 3, but you can change the codes on this particular demonstration. In this case, I have it set to 925. So I'll go ahead and do something simple, which is arming the system. So I press 925, and you can see the on light is blinking. It should come on any second. It takes so long. Okay. You can see that the motion detectors are on and everything. This one, for some reason, does not have a delay on it. But right now I have it armed, so to disarm it, you would just enter the 3-digit code and then turn it off. Now, I'm going to do instant this time. This way it arms quicker. Okay, now you press 925. 925. Okay, they're all on now. And now I'm going to trip a motion detector in zone 3. So I'm going to click and the siren should go off. Okay. We have an alarm. Enter the code and press pound 9. And it's not working. Oh well. Okay. So now it's back to normal. And let's see, I can demonstrate the chime. I'll try this real quick. It doesn't do anything. Okay. If we press pound 5 and pound 6, and if I click on a door, which will be zone 1, that is the chime. Pound 5, pound 6, okay. Now, I will show you the emergency keypad, the emergency key buttons. This is fire, and it does it in code 3. Kind of fast, if you ask me. Oh my gosh, it never works. Okay. This one doesn't sound the siren, it's medical. Okay, that's back to normal. Okay, there it goes. And then, finally, police. It still doesn't work. Oh well. Yeah, that's how you demonstrate it. There's just real quick. Okay, oh well. Yep, this is it. Let's see, I can show. Oh yeah, I will show disarming the motion detectors. And to do that, we press pound 6 and then enter the code. Wait a second. We need to do instant too. Okay. Yeah, no, I'll open a door, open this one. Okay, now we're getting crazy here. Okay, well, that's the demonstration of it.